Hey YouTube, today we are unboxing Drosera stricticaulis and Drosera macrantha, except we are only unboxing tubers. So we have two tubers here that we are unboxing, and it looks like it's already been opened, but I'm sure it's nothing to worry about. Drosera tokaiensis. This one here was a gift. So it turns out it's a hybrid between rotundifolia and spatulata. So this is what I ordered. 2 tubers, which were $20 each, and $12 for the shipping. I purchased this sand, which is specially for carnivorous plants. The best time to plant these are in the middle of summer or early fall. Today is August 10th, so today is a perfect day to plant these, so they can get used to the climate. And I just made these little temporary ones until the plant actually grows and it gets bigger, then I'll repot it. So I just poked some holes in here. I rinsed this out with distilled water in case there was any other water left in here. Poke some holes in the bottom. First I'm gonna go ahead and add some peat moss mixed with perlite. So the first one we're going to put is macrantha. It is recommended to plant it at a depth twice the diameter of the tuber. And of course we're going to plant it in peat moss and perlite with mixed of carnivorous plant mix sand. Also, never put soil with added fertilizers, garden soil, or regular potting mixes. It will burn the roots and kill the plant. And never use coconut fibers because they contain salt. And so we don't forget which one is which, I'm going to go ahead and stick it underneath. This soil here is a little bit wet. I don't like to add it too dry because then it'll suck it all up when you wet it. There it is. See it? Gotta make sure we plant the root pretty deep. So I'll give you guys an update in maybe 2 months or so to see when it grows. They are going to be planted here until it is time for winter for them to sprout. They like to come out during the cold season, and during the summer they like to go in a hibernation. Tokaiensis. There's a little bud in the middle. That one should start sprouting soon.